Understanding Go into Meltdown, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, go into meltdown. This expression is quite common in everyday conversations, but what does it really mean? Let's explore together and enhance your English understanding. Go into meltdown is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone becomes extremely upset or loses control of their emotions. Originally derived from nuclear terminology, where a meltdown refers to a severe overheating of a nuclear reactor, this phrase is now commonly used in everyday language to depict a loss of emotional control. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. After hearing the bad news, she went into meltdown, crying uncontrollably. The team went into meltdown after losing the championship, showing visible frustration and disappointment. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be used to describe situations where emotions run high and control is temporarily lost. When using go into meltdown, keep in mind that it's often used in informal contexts. The phrase can apply to individuals or groups. It's suitable for situations involving strong emotions like anger, frustration, or sadness. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Similar phrases include lose one's cool, freak out, have a breakdown. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different connotations. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, go into meltdown, more confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more natural in English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.